Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Heinrich Böll Foundation Scholarships, Germany. The best part about the Heinrich Böll Foundation Scholarships is that it offers 1500 scholarships per year, allows you to apply without an IELTS score, requires no application fee, and doesn't require an acceptance letter. Additionally, each applicant receives a stipend of €1,200 for personal expenses. So in this video I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship coverage, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. Online apply video guide. For students facing challenges with the online application process, we have created an instructional video. Simply click on the link provided in the video comments sections. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship summary. The Heinrich Böll Foundation scholarships are offered for study in Germany at top universities, providing fully funded financial support for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. With 1,500 scholarships available, these opportunities cater to a wide range of academic pursuits. The duration of the scholarships varies by degree. Bachelor's programs typically last 3 to 4 years, master's programs span 2 years, and PhD programs range from 3 to 5 years. This comprehensive support allows students to focus on their studies without the financial burden. Scholarship benefits. For bachelor's students, the Heinrich Böll Foundation scholarships provide up to €812 per month along with an additional €300 per month for books, covering tuition fees and accommodation. Additional support may also be available for family, childcare, or health insurance. Master's students from outside the European Union receive €934 per month, potential assistance with tuition fees in Germany, and accommodation, while European Union students receive up to €812 per month and €300 per month for books without tuition fee assistance. PhD students from outside the European Union receive €1,200 per month, €100 per month for travel expenses, covering tuition fees and accommodation, whereas European Union students receive €1,350 per month and €100 per month for research expenses, but no tuition fee assistance in Germany. Eligibility criteria. To qualify for the Heinrich Böll Foundation scholarship, candidates must meet several requirements. The scholarship is open to applicants from all countries worldwide. Candidates should demonstrate strong academic performance in their school or college and university studies and provide a motivational statement with persuasive reasons for applying to the Heinrich Böll Foundation. For doctoral scholarships, additional criteria include excellent academic records at both school and university levels, a compelling research proposal with an innovative research approach, a realistic timetable, and evidence of significant preliminary work. Additionally, doctoral candidates should have active involvement in social and political causes and present a strong motivational statement explaining their reasons for applying to the foundation. Language requirements. German language proficiency. Applicants must provide proof of German language proficiency at a minimum level of B2 or DSH2. Application deadlines. The deadlines to apply for the scholarship are the 1st of March and the 1st of September each year. Enroll in a German language course. To meet the language requirement, enroll in a reputable language institute in your city offering a German language course. Aim to obtain your B2 level German language certificate in advance. ensuring it can be submitted with your online application by the September 2024 deadline. The application process takes 4 months, with interviews scheduled for January 2025, giving you ample time to prepare for the interview and improve your German language skills. If you are targeting the February 2025 application cycle, ensure you complete your language course and obtain the B2 level certificate in time. Documents required. Completed application form, the official application form filled with accurate personal and academic details. Curriculum vitae, a detailed resume outlining your educational background, work experience, and achievements. Motivational letter, a personal statement explaining your reasons for applying and your future goals. Academic transcripts, official records of your academic performance from previous institutions. Proof of language proficiency, certification demonstrating your proficiency in the required language. Research proposal for doctoral scholarships, a detailed plan of your intended research, including objectives and methodology. Letters of recommendation, written endorsements from academic or professional references. Proof of social commitment, evidence of your involvement in social, political, or community activities. Identification documents, copies of your passport or national ID for verification. How to apply? The Heinrich Böll Foundation only accepts online applications. Candidates interested in studying in Germany must click the Apply button below to access the online application portal, which opens about 6 weeks before the application deadline. Follow these steps: register on the application portal, fill in the required information, upload the necessary documents, and submit your application. For detailed information and to apply, visit the official website. If you want to apply, please click on Apply. That concludes today's content. Please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving comments with any questions you may have. Thank you, and much love to all.